The Tesla Model 3 uses an electronic parking brake system integrated into the hydraulic brakes. This replaces traditional mechanical levers or pedals, offering simplicity and reducing vehicle weight. Key functions include parking mode, brake hold, and emergency brake. The gear selector stalk controls park mode, as shown in this interior view. All features are software controlled and improved through over-the-air updates. To engage the parking brake on a Tesla Model 3, simply shift the gear selector to park position. This automatically activates the electronic parking brake, applying hydraulic pressure to the rear brakes to secure the vehicle. When you shift to park, the electronic parking brake engages automatically, using hydraulic pressure on the rear brakes to prevent the vehicle from rolling, especially on inclines. To disengage the parking brake, shift out of park into drive or reverse, or simply press the brake pedal while still in park. The system automatically releases when you begin to accelerate. The parking brake engages automatically to prevent unintended movement, and recent firmware updates have improved brake hold stability, particularly on inclines. Brake hold is a convenient feature that keeps the brakes applied when you're stopped, such as at a traffic light, eliminating the need to continuously press the brake pedal. You can activate brake hold through the touchscreen or the drive stalk. Once engaged, the vehicle remains stationary until you press the accelerator pedal. This provides similar functionality to a parking brake, but is designed specifically for short stops during driving, not for leaving the vehicle parked. Importantly, brake hold is not the same as park mode. It's meant for temporary stops, not long-term parking. Disabled drivers particularly benefit from this feature as it reduces the strain of holding the brake pedal. In emergency situations or system failures, you can manually engage the EPB via the touchscreen. Navigate to Controls Brakes and select the emergency brake function. Alternatively, in FSD scenarios, the car may engage the emergency brake autonomously. Use this feature cautiously and only when necessary to prevent accidents. During a snowstorm in Colorado, a Model 3 driver used the touchscreen emergency brake override when the automatic system hesitated on a steep hill. While the electronic parking brake is generally reliable, some issues may arise. If the parking brake fails to disengage, try restarting the car. Ensure that the battery has sufficient charge, as a low battery can sometimes interfere with the EPB. If problems persist, contact Tesla Service. Tesla service data from 2024 shows 99.8% uptime for EPB functions, with most issues stemming from user error rather than hardware. Tesla's electronic parking brake is increasingly integrated with autopilot and full self-driving features, creating a more autonomous driving experience. Recent full self-driving updates, such as version 12 in 2025, enable autonomous parking capabilities. The vehicle can now detect parking spaces and apply the parking brake automatically during secure stops. Looking ahead to 2026, Tesla is piloting auto park enhancements in select markets. These improvements make autonomous parking even more reliable and seamless for drivers. A real-world example comes from a 2024 Tesla owner forum study reported by Electrek. A Model 3 owner using FSD version 11 demonstrated flawless autonomous parking in a crowded garage, including secure brake engagement on an incline. Tesla braking systems are evolving rapidly toward full autonomy. By 2027 to 2030, advanced autonomous driving features will make manual parking brake knowledge obsolete as vehicles handle their own secure stops. Tesla is focusing on sustainability by reducing brake component weight by 20 to 30% in upcoming models like the rumored Model 3 facelift in 2027. This lightweight design improves energy efficiency. Software-defined braking enables over-the-air optimizations through firmware updates. This allows Tesla to refine brake performance and integrate seamlessly with advanced driver assistance systems. As Elon Musk stated in 2025 earnings calls, future Tesla iterations will eliminate parking brakes entirely through full autonomy, predicting a 50% drop in user errors by 2030. Experts praise Tesla's electronic parking brake for its simplicity and reduced maintenance costs. Automotive engineers highlight how it eliminates traditional mechanical components, cutting down on maintenance expenses. The Model 3's braking system ranks highly for dependability, according to AAA's 2025 Vehicle Reliability Report. With only 0.2% of complaints related to electronic parking brake malfunctions, the system proves reliable in everyday use. Regular software updates ensure optimal performance of the electronic parking brake system. If you notice any unusual behavior, schedule a service appointment to maintain system health and reliability.